Cioppino is a delicious Italian-American seafood stew that originated in San Francisco. First, I'd like to say thank you for being a part of the Afsan Farm Media Production channel. Let's dive into it. It typically features a variety of fresh seafood, tomatoes, and aromatic herbs. Here's a basic recipe for making cioppino. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion, diced, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup dry white wine, 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, 2 cups, fish or seafood broth, can substitute with vegetable or chicken broth, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 pound mussels, scrubbed and debearded, 1 pound clams, scrubbed, 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 pound whitefish fillets, such as cod or halibut, cut into chunks, 1/2 pound squid, cleaned and sliced into rings, 1/2 cup fresh parsley, chopped. Crusty bread, for serving. Instructions: heat the olive oil over medium heat in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven. Add the diced onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic, dried oregano, dried basil, red pepper flakes, and bay leaf. Cook for an additional 2 minutes, stirring frequently to release the aromas. Pour in the white wine and allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, letting the alcohol evaporate. Add the crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, fish or seafood broth, salt, and black pepper. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Add the mussels, clams, shrimp, white fish, and squid to the pot. Cover and simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the seafood is cooked through and the shellfish have opened. Discard any unopened shellfish and the bay leaf. Taste the cioppino and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Stir in the chopped parsley. Serve the cioppino hot in bowls, accompanied by crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy your homemade cioppino, a delightful and hearty seafood stew. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. Associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.